Hi, in this video we're going to discuss how to conduct a forest inventory using fixed area sampling. Now, before I even came to the forest, I will have prepared a map that shows the general area and boundaries of the forest and the location of where I'm going to put in my sample plots. When deciding what kind of plots to use, we have many choices: square plots, rectangular plots, circular plots. In this case, we're talking about fixed radius plots, which basically means making circular areas in the forest and counting and measuring the trees in them. One of the decisions that we have to make is how many plots, and the other decision we have to make is how big to make the plots. Generally, our plots are less than an acre in size. In this video, I'll be using a 1/20th acre plot. Now, I could use a larger plot. That would give me more information about that area of the forest, but it would take more time. I could use a smaller plot, and that would give me less information, but would take less time. So, part of fixed area plot sampling is to decide how many plots you want to put in and how big to make them, and to do that in a cost-effective manner. If you look at this map, you'll see that I laid out a grid across the forest. A grid basically means we have a systematic set of sample plots that are spaced equidistantly apart. And notice I've numbered them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. so I can keep track of which plots I'm visiting and follow them in a systematic order. One of the biggest advantages of the grid and the equidistant spacing is to make sure I have good coverage across the forest. Now, when I'm actually going to go into the forest, I'll take this map with me, and I could use a compass, and with this map and this compass, I could navigate to these different points and collect the data at each plot. Modern GPS technology, or global positioning system technology, enables us to communicate with navigation satellites and locate our position on the Earth. So, this is actually an easier method in many cases. I know the coordinates of all of these plots, I load them into the GPS unit, and then I can navigate to each one and collect the data. So, the next step is for us to go into the forest, and I'm going to use this to navigate to the first plot. I'm going to show you how to set it up, how to measure the trees.